What looks like a shipwreck is actually a floating crane barge. It was built for heavy lifting and shipyard work. This is the Samson, and it ran aground here at Ardmore, County Waterford in December 1987. It was being towed from Liverpool to Malta when the tow line snapped off the Welsh coast in rough sea conditions. There were 2 crew on board, but they were winched to safety by an RAF helicopter and the crane was left drifting. A few hours later, it hit the rocks at Ram Head. A tug sailed from Cork, but the damage was already done, so it was left where it was. What's left here is part of a working lifting system. At the base there's a large ring gear. That's how the crane rotates. A drive gear turns it, swinging the whole structure. The winch drums handle the lifting, winding steel cable in and out under load. The boom is a lattice structure, built that way to carry the load without unnecessary weight. That's the system: rotation, lifting and metal structure, all designed to work under controlled conditions. Once the tow line failed, that control was gone. It wasn't built for the open sea like this. So once it started drifting, there wasn't much that could be done. The wreck was never salvaged, and it's been left here ever since. Over time the sea has taken it apart, and in 2016 the main jib collapsed into the sea. What's left now is only part of the original structure. It's breaking down over time and will eventually be lost to the sea.